Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tiffany here, and today will be one more episode for the food series. I hope you enjoyed the video and the recipe itself, and let's get into this. Guys, it's all for today. I hope you did enjoy the video and the recipe itself. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to turn your notifications on so you can be notified whenever I post. Follow me on Instagram so you can DM me ideas for new content and everything else, and be updated for any channel news. I'll be updating you guys there, so be safe. Peace out.